can provide you the cost-effective transport service. Quality is our culture. And we also have different certificates like CE, ISO 9001, NSF, and FDA. And we are your transport and professional water treatment specialist. And now I will introduce our hot cells industry water treatment system. 我不知道他们能不能听到我的声音，我觉得很小声，我讲不出来。Now I will introduce our industry water treatment system. The capacity is 1,000 liters per hour. As you can see, this one is our 1,000 liters per hour water treatment system with sand filter, carbon filter, and softener. Hello. Hello, if you can hear me, you can write one in the comment. Let me mark the microphone. Filter and softener. And then let me introduce the and then the first filter stage is the sand filter. This is the quarter sand we will put in the first filter tank. And the function of the sand is that it can remove the sediment, rust, dust, and other large impurities. And next filter tank is the carbon filter. This is the activity carbon we will put in the filter tank. And the function of the carbon is that it can remove the chlorine, some bad smell, and organisms. And the last filter tank is the water softener. And we will put the resin in the filter tank. This is the resin. And the function of the resin is that it can reduce the hardness of the water. And this is the back wheel of the 1,000 liters per hour water treatment system. And then after the water go through this free filter tank, the water will go to this precision filter. And we usually put the PP filter inside. This is the PP filter. And the function of the PP filter is that it can remove the sediment, rust, dust, and other large impurity. And then the water will go through the high pressure pump. And the function of the high pressure pump is that it will provide the pressure to the reverse osmosis membrane. And the last part is the reverse osmosis membrane. And this is the most important part of the water treatment system. And the function of the our membrane is that it can remove the dissolved solid, bacteria, and color and other organisms. And here have the automatic control valve in the filter tank. The function of the control valve is to control the water flow. And it can make the filter tank have different functions, like wash, filter, backwash, rinse, or other. And the last part is the control system. This one is the control box. In the control board here, it has the PLC touch screen and have some button to control the system. And and here we have some pressure gauge and flow meter. It can show the inlet water pressure or outlet water pressure or concentrate water pressure. And this two flow meter is to show the concentrate water and the pure water. And this system is suitable for different industry, like the water business, cosmetic, chemical, hospital, or other. And we usually sell this product to the customer to do water business. And our main market is African, and American, and Asia. And the consumables of this system is the free filter medium, the sand, the quarter sand, the carbon, the activity carbon, and the resin. And also have the PP filter and our membrane. And I can introduce the service lines of the consumable. For the sand, the service life is 2 to 3 years. And for the carbon, the service life is 1 year. And for the resin, the service life is also 1 year. 1 year. And for the PP filter, the service life is 3 to 6 months. This is our membrane, and the service life is 2 to 3 years. But it also depends on your water quality. And the warranty of our water treatment system is 1 year. If you find the spare part of the accessories of our system have any problem. If the, like, for example, the control wheel is can't work normally, so you can send a picture or take a video to us, and we can provide you the free spare part. 我讲不了。你有什么问题？你不是讲不了吗？你直接开始。Do you have any question? How much is the system? Do you need the whole set stainless steel? How much? Christine. Yes. Whole set stainless steel. You can send inquiry to us, and we can quote you the aquarium price. If you need 1,000 liters per hour and whole set stainless steel, the price may be over $3,000.
Thank you.
Okay, you can send inquiry to us.
Yeah, and we will send you the price and the details for you.
Do you need? I want to get your product catalog. Yes, you send inquiry to us, and when we contact you, we can send you the catalog, or you can let us know what's your water source.
Yeah.
Well water, underground water, borehole water, or other water source. And it is best that you can send us the water test report. 好，看到了。
这没卖呀。
哦。
因为它跟这个是一样的。
If you have any question of our of this 1,000 liters per hour water treatment system, you can also talk with us in the live stream.
Oh.
第一次有客户在那里讲那么多。
真的。
啊？
有问题就问他吧。
Do you have any other question? Hello, welcome to our live stream.
And now we will introduce our industry machines for use. And this machine's material is stainless steel. And if you don't have any questions, and we will introduce next products for you.
Yes. 都有15分钟了都。
15吗？过吧。
你来哦。你可以讲这个吗？
随便讲啊，不是我那里不讲了吗？什么产品啊？
那个小的1%的。
发目录。
那个是海水淡化。你问他水的不水的，如果是海水，你就跟他介绍；如果不是海水，就不必要了。
Hello, friends. And may I know what's your water source? And you send the links used for seawaters. And if your water source is seawaters, and we will introduce the products for use. Because these machines only use the water source is seawaters. Hi. Hello friends, welcome to our live stream.
Wow, 今天好多人。
你可以先讲，看他会不会再发，如果再发我就看他在讲什么。
它里面不是有2个另外的滤芯吗？就是单独的，没有装在这里面的，拿一下呗。
Hello friends, welcome to our live stream, and this is Grace from Army Company, and which is a professional manufacturer of water treatment products with more than 11 years experience. And now we will introduce our undersea water purifiers for you guys. And this one capacity is 600 gallons per day. And you can see this one, the color is blue, and we also have the other colors is white. And you can see these machines, and we have the filters and the faucets. And you can see this one is our PPC filters, and PPCs mean that PP and the CTOs. And this one is our membranes. And let me introduce our filter cartridge, the functions for use. And this one is our PPC filters, and the PP filters can remove the sands, sludge, and the suspendings. And CTO filters, it can effectively remove the batteries, organisms, and some smell. And you can see this one is our membranes. And our membrane functions, it can effectively remove the dissolid organisms and the colors. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And this machine, we will provide the user's menus for use, and the menu is in English, so it's too easy to understand for us. And for the service life, and these two filters service life about 1 to 2 years, need to train. And you can see this one has 2 pipes, and this pipe is pure water pipes, and this one is the wastewater pipes. And hello, welcome to our live stream. And this machine has 4 holes, and has the pure waters, and the wastewater and filter waters outlet. And you can see this process has two sides, and the side is the drinking water outlet, and the other side is the wastewater outlet. And you just need to press this side, and you can get the pure waters and the wastewaters. And here, as you can see, and the one is for drinking waters, and the other options is for wash waters. And the drinking waters options you can drink, and the waste waters you can use for daily wash, use for your kitchens. And here you need to connect the pipes. As you can see, this is the pure water line. This one, the white pipe is the pure water line. And this is the pure water lines, and this is the wastewater lines. And the last one is the filter water lines. So, and these two filters is very easy to remove and install. And you just need to remove the filters, turn off the purifiers, and hold the handles. Like this one, you can see. Hello, welcome to our live stream. Yeah, so and this machine is very easy to install. And you can see this one is our blue colors, and we also have the other colors, and it's white ones. And you can choose which one you need. And this one is our PE pipes, meaning that is water pipes, and you just need to connect these 4 holes, and then you can get the waters, other waters. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And do you have any questions for our undersea water purifiers? And you can send the questions for the comments, and we will help you to answer it. Hello, welcome to our live stream. Hello, Orange, and may I know what's your water source? And we have tap waters, underground waters, or borehole waters. And we will, according to your water source and recommend to suitable for your machines. Hello, friends. And do you have any questions for our undersea water purifiers? And if you don't have any questions, and we will introduce next products for you. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And and you just need to handle the filters and and then the filters can open, so it's so convenient. And these two filter service life is 1 to 2 years need to change. 它这个有习题款要讲吗？
要，我就讲一下。刚有一个问一个海水淡化。
回答了，早就回答了。Hello, always welcome to our live stream. And now introduce the products for you. Send the links. You send the links. And you just need to keep our live stream. Welcome to our live stream. And this machine is for use. And this machine is suitable for tap waters, underground waters, and borehole waters. And this one capacity is 750 liters per hour. And this machine has 5 parts. And you can see this one is the first part is our position filters. And there has the PP filters and CTO filters inside. And you can see this one is our PP filters, and the functions can remove the sands, sludge, and the suspendings. And you can see this one is our CTO filters, and it can effectively remove the batteries, organisms, and some smell. And these two filters, the length is 20 inches. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And the second part is our high pressure sponge, and it can provide the pressures to the outer membranes. And about the powers, high pressure sponge power is 1.8 kilowatts. And you can see this one is our RO membranes. This is our RO membranes, and about the RO membranes, and it can effectively remove the dissolved solids, organisms, and the colors. And the RO membrane, the size, the length is 20 inches, and the diameter is 40 inches, and the diameter is 4 inches. And the membrane housing material is stainless steel. FRP material. And if you need the FRP materials and the service life is longer than the stainless steel, but the price is higher. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And 1 hour membranes can produce 250 liters per hour. So this machine has 3 hour membranes. So this whole machine's capacity is 750 liters per hour. And this is the control panels, and there has 2 flow meters and 2 pressure scales and TDS meters and the regulators in the control box. And you can see this one is our flow meters, and the zoom ratio is 1 to 1. And this one is the TDS meters, and it can display the TDS volt in here. And this one is our bevel loss regulators, and it can adjust the recovery rates. And this one is our power, and you just need to press the power buttons and the machines can work. And do you have any questions for our water treatment system? And you can send the questions in the comments and we will answer it. And this whole machine's voltage is 220, is 50 Hertz and single phase. And we also can custom the different voltage, for example, 380 voltage, 60 Hertz and 3 phase, according to your country requirements. And our machine's warranty is 1 year. And if use this machine process has problems, and you just need to send us video and the pictures, and we will help you to solve it. And if the quality has problems, and we just provide the spare parts for you. 你要不要提问我问题啊？要不要提问我问题啊？ Do you have any questions?
How about the service life of the spare parts?
Okay. Let me introduce the service life of the consumables. And you can see this one is our PV filters, and the functions can remove the sands, rust, and the suspended. And about the service life is 3 to 6 months. And you can see this one is our CTO filters, and the functions, it can effectively remove the batteries, organisms, and the chlorine. And about the service life is 4 to 6 months.
So do you have the other spare parts like TDS meter, flow meter, if we want after few years of use, if need to change the TDS meter or speed pressure meter, do you have the spare parts for this machine?
什么意思啊？
就是他想换那个 TTS， 你有没有这个卖给他哦？
Yes, we also have.
The TDS flow meter, speed meter.
Yeah, you can see this one is our TDS meters. And if
If we could change the pressure meter, you have the pressure meter?
yeah,
Okay.
and we also have the spare parts.
So you can show the spare parts here.
Yeah.
Open the flow meter one sample of flow
那我来
meter.
讲这一个。
没事，你就给他看看就可以了。这个讲不了，真的。
And you can see this one is our follow meters. It's and this ones.
你说如果你要这个，那个坏了，我们就可以卖这个。
And if you and after you get these machines and the follow meter is problems, and we also can provide this spare part for use, replacement.
So what is the voltage requirement for this machine?
Can you repeat?
What's the voltage requirement for this machine? Is it single phase or three phase? Power requirement.
像素。
像素？什么像素？
Single phase or
Single
three
phase or three
phase.
phase?
单
This
向还是
machine.
三向？
Oh. And these machines, the voltage is 220 volts, 50 Hertz and single phase. And we also can custom the 3 phase. And because these machines, the voltage is 220 volt, 20 volts, and you just need to single phase is enough.
Okay, so can you customize the frequency? If somebody needs 60 hertz, you can make the 60 hertz, and other cloud option you have. Basically, to make this machine, if you order how many days the delivery time?
And this machine deliver time is about 10 days after you finish the payments.
Okay. And how about the motor specification here? What the kilowatt of this motor?
Models.
Pump.
千瓦多少千瓦？
And you can see this one is our high pressure stone, and it can provide the pressures to the our membranes. And about the power is 1.8 kilowatt.
1.8.
Yeah. And this machine is suitable for tap waters, underground waters, and borehole waters. And the water source TDS below 1000 ppm, you can use this machine.
Do you have other capacity?
Yeah. And this machine's capacity is 750 liter per hour. And we also have 250 liter per hour, 500 liter per hour, and 1000 liter per hour, and so on. And if you need to largest capacities, and we also can do it according to your needly. Do you have any questions for our water treatment system? And if you think our product is good, and you can give us a like and follow up.多少分了？
当然是
还差软化。没有，他刚刚是，他刚刚是他刚刚评论有好几条 CT 款的。Do you have any questions for our machines? And you can send the questions in the comments, and we will answer your questions for you. Hey, you saw your. And this machine does. Let me introduce the machine size. And the 宽吧，这是宽吧？
长，这长啊，
这不是长吗？
长宽高。
And the length is 65. About 65. Yes, the length.
新的，
哈，
有时间的做。
是的，宽。And the wise, the width about 50, yeah, 51.
51。
Yeah, you can see this. 这样子。
对，太有趣了，小心哦。
没事，你放手。And about the height is 140. Yeah.
所以这个
So this machine, the size is small. It can save the money and the shipping cost for you.
What packing packing material. You will pack this system.
And this machine is the 纸箱吗？你确定吗？ And this machine, the packing way is cotton balls. And we also can packing the wooden balls because the if and if need the wooden balls and the price is high, it's different.
因为录像给更好的保护，但是纸箱里面 enough。但如果你想更好的保护，就
Yeah, the wooden balls can protect the machines. Can protect the machine better. Do you have any questions for our industry machines? If you don't have any questions, and we will introduce next products for you. Hello, virus. Yeah, you can see this one is our PV filters. It send the links. You send the links. It send. And these PV filters, the length is 20 inch. How length you need? And we have 10 inch and 20 inch, 30 inch and 40 inch. You can choose which length you need. The price is different. And the PV functions, it can remove the sense, large and the suspended. And these PV filters, the diameter is 2.5 inch, yes. Swimming也是 pro side. And the pro side is 10 microns. And we also have the other microns, like 1 microns, 5 microns, and 10 microns, and so on. Hello, welcome to our live stream. For you. 它这个共享不是有吗？尺寸？不是啊，你不是要量1吨的吗？差不了多少吧。Hello, welcome to our live stream. Hello, friends. Thank you for your follow-up. Welcome to our live stream. And now we will introduce our water softeners for use. And this one, if your water source TDA, your water source honey is too high, you can use these machines. And these machines can reduce the hardness of the waters. Hello, welcome. And this one, the capacity is 500 liters per hour. And this machine has 6 parts. And the first part is our few water pumps. And you just need to connect the water pipes in this, and the waters go to the position filters. And about the power is 0.55 kilowatt. And the second part is the position filters. Has two states, and the first state is the PV filters, and the functions can remove the sands, rock, and the suspendings. And the second state is the CTO filters, and the function it can effectively remove the discolorings, colors, and some smell. And the second part is the filter tanks. And there has the regions inside. And you can see this one is our regions. And a pack of region is 25 liters. And you just need to put the regions about 60% inside. And about the filter tank size, the length is 44 inches and the diameter is 8 inches. And the filter tank, the material is FRP, and we also can change the material is stainless steel. You can choose which one you need. The stainless steel material is, the service life is longer than the FRP, but the price is higher. And the fourth part is the brain tank. And there has the industry source inside. And the regions need the industry source to regenerate. And 1 liter regions can need 0.16 industry salt to regenerate. And about the brain tanks, the material is PE and the capacity is 60 liters. And the fourth part is the UV sterilize, and the functions it can cure the batteries. And the power is 16 watts. The material is stainless steel. And these machines we also have other capacities like 1,000 liter per hour and 2,000 liter per hour and so on. And the water softness, the small large is 500 liter per hour. Hello, welcome to our live stream.
要10分钟，很好。
就提问呗。你尽量多想一点。
讲慢一点啊。
How many kilogram resin I need to put in the filter tank?
53 kilogram.
Liter. How many liter?
And you just need to put 25 liters inside, about 60%. A pack of is enough.
What is the function of the resin?
And the functions of the reasons, it can reduce the hardness of the waters. So if your water source honey is too high, you can use these machines.
So this system is only suitable for city water.
Yeah.
好像锅炉水也可以，那是有个锅炉是不是？
我也没了解过。
Can I know the service life of the reason?
And the service life about the reason is 1 year.
And what about other consultant?
Yeah, let me introduce. And you can see this one is our PP filters, and about the functions can remove the sands, rot, and the suspendings, and about the service life is 3 to 6 months, need to train. And this one is our CTO filters, and the functions effectively remove the batteries, organics, and some smell. And about the service life is 4 to 6 months. And you can see this one is our UV sterilize, and the functions can cure the batteries, and about the service life is 8,000 hours. Oh, 没有工业盐。And you can see this one is our industry saw, and about the service life is 1 week.
Hello, Ricky.
是这个展示给他看。叫他的名字。你跟他说这个在这里。
Hello, Ricky, and this one is our water treatment system for 1,000 liters per hour. And you can see the material is stainless steel.
你说和他的一样。
And
3米
and this one is sent for use in the lid. And may I know what's your water source?
又是什么？
And this is suitable for tap water, waters, and borehole waters. And you can tell me your water source, and we will recommend suitable for your machines for you according to your water source. 没反应。
问他，问他在不在 ？Are you there？
Hello, Ricky, are you here?
你站在这个。
中国的吗？
不是。
哦，不是。I want to get your product catalog. And you can send us the inquiries for.
他已经这样贴那你说待会发给你。
Yeah.
你说啊，不要
And I will send the catalogs for use later.
你说可以在直播间跟我们聊这些。
And you can chat with for the live stream in the comment. 没说就换过来吧。你接着提吧。
Does this system have warranty?
And this machine's warranty is 1 year. And if you use this machine process has problem, and you just need to send us video and the pictures, and we will to help you to solve it. And if the quality problems, and we will provide the spare parts for replacement. Yeah, it's automated, and you can see this one is our control valves, and it can control the flow trust. Yeah, and it can control the water flows in this. So this machine is automated. Do you have any questions for our water softener? And you can send the questions in the comment. Hello, welcome to our live stream.
我听说这个是美国市场的热销，因为 Amy 经常卖这款去美国。
And this is the wholesale products in Americans, yeah. 但是这样说就很极限，如果他们都不是美国的话。
非洲一般要不才是买全套，没事，只是说在美国热销而已。
Hello, welcome to our live stream. 小红小。
7个也不是他点，让他们点赞。
And if you think our product is good, you can give us a like and follow up. And these machines production times about 10 days after you finish the payments. And let me show you the size of these machines. And the length is about 73. You can see this 73, the length. And the width of this machine is about 60, about 64. The width. 不，哦，对，在下面。
服了你了。
135. And the height of this machine is about 138. The height 100.
138 centimeter or millimeters? Centimeter, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, centimeter. Yeah. Cost. Hello, welcome to our live stream. 可以叫他们出来了，时间刚刚好。Do you have any questions for our water softener? And you can see this one machine, the capacity is 500 liters per hour. And we also have 1,000 liters per hour and 2,000 liters per hour and so on. And if you need to larger capacities, and we also can do it according to your need. Hello, my friends. Hello, Lian. welcome to our live stream. And now let me, my colleagues, introduce next products for you.
可以猜一下。
Hello, Leon. 他又发了。Hello, this is Grace.
这个色没有滤镜的，
什么？
这个色没是没有滤镜的，好丑，肯定要管一下。介绍，帮我搬过去那里播那个海蛋设备。Hello, nice to see you. We would like to introduce the desalination system. Wait a moment.
那这个
都要搬啊，搬到这个位置来。不够长又不够长。
要有个人站在那里。
搬这边也行吗？我来。你那边。那拖吧。We would like to introduce this one, the desalination system, mainly to treat the seawater to drinking and other purpose. Nice to see you. And this one you look is the 500 liter per hour desalination system. This is the back side. It have the 3 pieces desalination membrane. And this is the cleaning system to clean the desalination membrane. And for the floor side, you have a sand filter. This is the sand filter. Inside is the sand media. It is to remove the sand, rust, and other substances. The sand filter we also call the pre-filter. And you can see the main key for the system. You have on the back side you have a low water pump, a boost pump, and the boost pump will pump water into the sand filter. And then this is the this is the high pressure pump. It is pump water into our membrane. And then the main key is the RO controller. Nice to see you. And they also have a security filter. Inside is the PP cartridge. This is the PP cartridge. I think our college already introduced it. Purification is to remove the sand rust and other substance also, like the sand filter, but it can remove more smaller substance like the 1 micro, 10 micro, or 5 micro, depending on the purification is configured. And for the system, it have two consumable. One is the PP cartridge. You need to change it for 2 to 3 months. And then is the destination membrane. You need to change it after the 1 to 3 years, depending on the real situation. And we have other capacity for choice. This one is the 500 liter per hour. And we also have the smaller one like the 100 liter per hour and the 200 liter per hour and the 250 liter per hour. Hello, nice to see you. Nice to see you. I'm introduced the desalination system. Treat the still water.
其实你叫 Forest 来这里点的，不然
都要点吗？
肯定
那我可以自己点。
这个范围应付不过来，一个人在这里点，那个点他们就有机会和你聊天。
怎么那么多呀？这些是不是没了？
没有。
我那个没有拿过来了。商务机。
这有。
Hello, hello. You are looking for the water purifier for home use, like this type. This one we have the 200 gallon per day to 800 gallon per day. We have many capacity for choice. You can let me send you a catalog for detailed checking, okay? This one. And this one actually is normally to treat the tap water for drinking, tap water. If your source water is very dirty and smell bad and other problem, you need to tell us and we check if this water purifier is suitable for you. And also some client is source water is from the underground. We actually recommend to use the water treatment system. So if the different source water, you need to tell us and we know which type water treatment system is suitable for you. Yeah. 你帮我在这里站一会，我就拿个东西。 nice to see you. And for the system, the water pump. The water pump material we use is the stainless steel 2507. It is high temperature resistance and high corrosion resistance than the stainless steel 304. The material is different from the stainless steel 304. It is mainly to use for the seawater desalination system. And for the cleaning system, it is to cleaning the membrane. About the time of cleaning is 30 or 16 minutes. Then to clean the membrane. And for the system, you can see on the control panel, there have some flat flow meter and the pressure gauge. It is to adjust the system to start working. Any friend have the inquiry for the desalination system? If you live in the sealand or nearby sea, maybe you require a desalination system to treat the seawater for drinking. If your source water is from the underground or from the river, then you can use the RO system. Hello, nice to see you. For the pure water, normally client will use for doing the water business for people drinking, and also it can be used for the pharmacy and the commodities and the skin lotion and boiler, and also can be used for the irrigation for the farmer. If you have any question or have any interest in our desalination system, you can send the inquiry to us, ask for the catalog or any detail desalination system. And if your source water is from the underground and nearby sea, it is better to test the source water first and let us know the TDS, how much. Because sometimes of this water can be treated by the brackish RO system, and some can need the desalination system depending on the different situation. So it is better to test the source water first and let us know the detail for the source water. There are some information for the desalination membrane. The desalination membrane is the key part in the system purification. You can see there. This is the test for the membrane. It can treat the TDS at 32,000 ppm. And our normal RO membrane is actually treat the TDS at 2,000 ppm. So the different purification performers. One is for the underground water or the river water, tap water, something. And this is for the seawater. Seawater, the salt of the seawater is very high. It's over the 10,000 ppm. Florence， 是到你了吗？是到哦，没有，我以为到你了。
没有，还有几分钟。你们讲这个吗？还有9分钟。
Cabinet type. So this is what different from the RO system and the desalination system. Their membrane is different, and the water pump is different. The material of water pump is different. So and also the function is different. One is for the desalination system, it is mainly to treat the seawater. And if you don't have any question, I would like to introduce another one. If you have any question, you can send the inquiry to us for the desalination system. You can ask for a catalog for the detailed checking, okay? Nice to see you, nice to see you. Nice to see you guys. And I would like to introduce another one, our system. This one is a cabinet type, the RO system. The inside for the cabinet have is the same like this. It have a high pressure pump, and a security filter, and our membrane. It looks like that. It looks like that. You have a water pump, and the blue is the security filter. Inside is the PP catcher, and the backside is the our membrane. Backside is the our membrane. The function for the our system is to treat the tap water, river water, well water for drinking or other purpose. Normally it's for the drinking. But if you have different purpose, you can tell us. And let's see if it is suitable for you, okay? And this one, because it have a cover, so it is waterproof and dust proof. You can see the inside, it is the high pressure pump. And this is a control panel. For this one, it have two TDS meter. One is for the low water and another is for the pure water. So it can show two water quality. And when you receive the grease, you can connect the power from here. For the future, if you want to change our memory and the PP catcher, you can open the panel. This way it can be open. And on the button, you have two holes for connect the local water pipe. For this one, now we only have one capacity for choice. You can ask, we send you the price list for checking. Oh, hi, nice to see you. This one. Hello, what is your source water from? The most important things before you buy the machine, let us know what is your source water from. It's from the river water, well water, underground water, or seawater, or rainwater, because it is the rainy season now. So I think more some client is source water is from the rainwater. And let us know what is your purpose for the pure water. Is for the pharmacies or the other special usage. Then we know how to figure out a best solution for you. If you have any question for our system, just send inquiry or just ask with directly. Our company was located in the Guangzhou China, nearby the Nansha port. If you have any important from other supplier, you can ask we send goods to you together and arrange ship. Hello, nice to see you. So, if you have any inquiry for the desalination system for treated seawater, or if you have any inquiry for our system for treat the river water, well water, underground water, and others, you can send inquiry to us. We are married to manufacture the water treatment system. We can give a free water treatment solution for the different situation. Hello, nice to see you. Don't forget to send inquiry to us if you're interested in our water treatment system. This is our catalog. You can ask for the catalog. 你要讲吗？那你拿着吧。
等以前按你们会按你们会弄吗？按你们会弄。
在那里。我感觉它这个有改造过。OK。Can you see? Hello, welcome to our live stream. This is Florence, and I will introduce our RO treatment machine. About this one, my machine. This one, I will introduce two types of the RO treatment machine for you guys. And this one, I will show you along at the first. Anyway, we are a manufacturer of the RO treatment system. So, this machine I will show you along. A little dark. You can see the control panel. Yes, it with the flow meter, pressure gauge, flow meter, control panel, control button, and a DTS meter. The DTS meter is show you the product water quality. Flow meter, pressure gauge, RO memory. High pressure pump. Blue filter housing. Yes, this is all of this machine. And this machine, this one is 750 liters per hour. This one is 750 liters per hour. And it has 4 capacity to choose. And other capacity is like 2,050 liters per hour, 5,000 liters per hour, 500 liters per hour. And the bigger one is 1,000 liters per hour. So this one is 750 liters per hour, in which 3 RO membrane. And this one, this machine, it can treat the well water, city water, river water, and underground water. Yes, after treat the rainwater, after treat, you can drink and do the bottled water business. You can see it has 4 capacity to choose. After 2, you can do the bottled water business. 4 capacity to choose. 250 liter per hour, 500 liter per hour, 750 liter per hour, 1000 liter per hour. Yes. And this one in which are breath flow function. It means it can recycle. It can recycle the wastewater as the rainwater to purify again to using. It is really save the water. And the wastewater recycle rate of the RO membranes. RO membrane can recycle rate like 50 50% wastewater. Now this one has three RO membrane. It means it can recycle rate like 45 to 50% wastewater. After the wastewater as the rainwater to recycle again, to treat again, it can really save the water. Yes, and in which are one inlet and 2 outlets. This is rainwater inlet. This is rainwater inlet, and here have a pure water outlet and a wastewater outlet. It means the rainwater flow to the filter housing, and then slow to the high pressure pump, and finally slow the RO membrane. And the blue housing filter is 20 inch. This one is 20 inch. Inside has the PP catheter. The PP catheter is also 20 inch. Yes, it's inside. So the PP catheters, it can remove the sand, rust, and others. And its service life is 4 to 6 months. After 4 to 6 months, you need to change your PP catheter. And other like CTO, yes, it's also 20 inch. The CTO catheter, it can remove like a color, smell, it can make the water taste better. Yeah, its service life is also 4 to 6 months. Yes. So you just connect this with a plug. After you connect your locate pipes, the machine will be working. Yeah, it's very easily. So you guys have any question about this ultimate machine? Yes, and just let us know and send us an inquiry list or any questions. We will reply you soon. Oh, you are looking for the... Yes. So I will introduce and add another one machines. Anyway, if you have any question or any interest on this machine, just let us know. Send us an inquiry or we can send you the catalog. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, the RO memory, its size is 4040. The RO memory is 4040, the 4040 of the RO memory. And the RO memory service life is 1 to 6 years. After 1 to 6 years, you can change the RO memory. Yes, it's inside. This one, the bigger difference with the last. This one which a water tank. Yeah, it was a water tank. This water tank can store the pure water, can store 200 liters of the pure water. Yeah, it can save the 200 of the pure water. After the water purified, it can store the water tank. It is very convenient. It also for the detail, it also with a flow meter, DTS meter, pressure gauge, a button. And also this one, also with the blue filter housing, it also is 20-inch. More detailed, high pressure Hello, welcome to our live stream. I introduce our ultimate machine, and this one it also reached the high pressure pump. Our memory. Yes, its bigger difference is this one with storage tank. Yeah, it can storage 200 of the pure water. 200 liter of the pure water. This machine is 500 liter per hour. This machine is 500 liter per hour. And for this one, it has two capacity to choose. This one has two capacity to choose, and the small one is 250 liter per hour. The small one is 250 liter per hour, and this one is 500 liter per hour. Yes, the machine. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And this machine, it can treat the well water, river water, underground water, and city water. After treat, you can drink or you can do the bottled water business. You can do the bottled water business. Hello, welcome to our live stream. I'm introduce our water treatment system, water treatment machine, and this one is 500 liter per hour. This one it with storage tank. It can save 200 liter of the pure water. Yes, and it with a pressure gauge. It with the pressure gauge to sense the water level. Once the pressure gauge to sense the water level. Once the water tank is full, the machine can start work. If the water tank is full, the machine will start to work. But if the water tank is source of the pure water, the machine will connect to working again until the pure water will full of the water tank again. Yes, it's very convenient. It's very convenient. The machine start run up the product pure water to feed the tank. Yes. Under the water tank, you can see here has a water outlet, the pure water outlet. And here has a UV sterilizer. It can kill the bacteria. It can kill the bacteria. So it's very convenient with water outlets, pure water outlets under the water tank. So about the water, about this one, here is the rainwater inlet. So you just connect the water pipes, the rainwater will into the, when you connect the water pipe, your rainwater will into the blue filter housing. Your rainwater will into the blue filter housing, and then the water will slow the high pressure pump, and then RO membrane, and finally after pure, the pure water will store the water tank. So about the filter, about the blue filter, this one is 20 inch. This one is 20 inch. So inside, in which the PP catheter. Yes, the PP catheter is inside. So the PP catheters, it can remove the sand, glass, and others. Yeah, the PP catheter, it can remove the sand, glass, and others. Its service life is 4 to 6 months. So another is the CTO catheter. This one also 20 inch. Because the filter housing is 20 inch, so we need the catheter is also 20 inch. Yeah, for the CTO catheters, it can remove the color, smell, and others. It can make the water taste better. Yes, it can make the water taste better. So, and about the RO membrane, about the RO membrane, the RO membrane is 40-40 size of the RO membrane. This one is 40-40 size. Yes, it's inside. I'm not sure you can see. Okay, wait a minute. Yes, this is the RO membrane housing. Is stainless steel. The vitality is stainless steel. And the RO membrane is inside. The RO membrane is 40-40 size. And its service life is 1 to 6 months. No, 1 to 3 years. Yes, the RO membrane is 1 to 3 years. After 1 to 3 years, you can change the RO membrane. Yes, it's 40-40 size. The materiality of the RO membrane housing is stainless steel. Yeah, in which plug. Just connect your lock codes. You can the machine will working. Yeah, this one is 500 liter per hour. 500 liter per hour. It has two capacities. So you guys, you, okay. Hello, welcome to our live stream. You are looking for this one, okay? I will introduce again this one. Okay, this is 500 liter per hour with a water tank. But one of our friends is looking for this one, so I would like to introduce again this one. This one is 750 liter per hour. This one with 3 RO membrane. High pressure pump. Rainwater inlet, a pure water outlet, and a wastewater outlet. Blue printer housing, 2 blue printer housing. This one has 4 capacity to choose. Hello, welcome to our live stream. This one has 4 capacity to choose. The small one is 250 liter per hour, 500 liter per hour, and 750 liter per hour, and the bigger one is 1,000 liter per hour. This one, it can treat the well water, city water, underground water. After trip, you can do the water business. After trip, you can do the water business or drink. Hello, friend. Are you here? Yes, this one. What capacity are you looking for? Oh, you are looking for 250 liter per hour. Yes, this one has 4 capacity to choose. 250 liter per hour, 500 liter per hour, 750 liter per hour, and 1,000 liter per hour. Yes, this one. Please send us an inquiry. We will reply you as soon as possible. Any questions, just let us know. Yes, this one is with 3 RO membrane. 3 RO membrane, and this RO membrane housing is the battery is stainless steel. Material is stainless steel. Yes, the RO membrane